Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your phone or gateway must support the carrier's 5G bands, and your plan must include 5G access. Once done, insert a compatible SIM and install the latest firmware and carrier settings. These often unlock new bands. Next, open network settings and enable 5G or 5G/4G auto mode so the device can switch seamlessly. Make sure airplane mode toggles and SIM seating are correct, and then move on to fine-tuning signal sources. Now you optimize the connection. Set the carrier APN exactly as provided. Incorrect APN prevents data even if registered. Once set, review network mode, and, if available, lock preferred NR bands that perform best in your area to reduce handovers. Use carrier aggregation and enable advanced radio features in developer or modem settings if present. For hardware, place the device near a high window or mount an external antenna aimed at the closest cell tower to increase SNR. Then verify registration and signal metrics. Finish by benchmarking. Run speed tests, check latency, and compare results morning versus evening to spot congestion. Once satisfied, configure CoS, limit background sync, and set hotspot rules to preserve throughput. Make sure firmware and carrier settings remain up to date and schedule periodic reboots for routers or gateways. If connectivity still drops or you see no 5G signal, try one key troubleshooting step first. Reboot the device, reset the SIM, and reset network settings. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.